drone battery is extremely fast, so we got one good battery left. I was trying to get y'all's flag, man. Trying to show y'all's flag some love. There we go. There we go.
I did not expect it at all, like...
Wow, that's nice.
Hello. I saw this from
amazing,
the city.
Man. That's amazing. That's a postcard.
I hope you guys see my postcard.
Yeah, that is. That's a good one. Man, look at these hats here. Look at these hats. Wow. It's nice. Anything else on the list? And there is a list. Anything else?
Carried Crater Lake.
I think she keeps adding stuff to the list every time she clicks on Google.
I got a pen.
So Northern Lights, guys, I got the shutter speed down very slow, so I may not really see much, but here are the lights. Look at it, man, this is crazy.